What's up, gang? GNCRC back once again with another video. Today we're going to be working on the RC4 drive Trailfinder 2. So the one thing I've done to this so far is I added the SDXC stock shocks. And this is what my idea is. This was something that I saw one of the guys in the group, I want to say RC19 Addiction, I could be wrong, don't quote me on that, but one of the guys in the group added this. Check out the group also, it's in the description below. We got a Trailfinder 2 micro or mini, whatever you want to call it, Trailfinder 2 group 124. It's in the links below in the description. So we did add that. Of course, you guys probably saw on the live, the guys that have seen the live, the guys that haven't seen the live, new battery. But the one thing we need to remedy is the one thing everybody always complains about, and that is this Velcro. And you'll notice when I took this off, the Velcro strip came all the way across, all the way loose. And that's the problem that I've been having. This is even with the upgraded Velcro. So we're gonna take care of that today. First, we're gonna start by go ahead and just taking this completely off. Same way with here. Now what you're gonna need, we'll take that back. What I'm going to use, I'm gonna use some magnets. Now these came from Harbor Freight. I wanna say they may have been $2.99. I want to say that's 10, if I'm not mistaken, 10 magnets. I also have some magnets that I had a while back, been RCing for forever, so I ended up buying some more. But I think these are a little bit larger in diameter, so we may go with these. Yeah, they are. So we're going to do the larger ones. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to make this work. So first, you're going to want to clean that surface area. I'm just going to do that with alcohol and a Q-tip. And you're going to also clean this area where it attached inside the body. Forgot to mention also, guys, I'm going to be using shoe glue to glue these things down. Now, after you get those surfaces clean, inside and out, you're going to want to get your magnets. And you want to make sure that when you put them on, that the polarity is right. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to mount one about here, and then I'm going to mount one on the other side. Mount them where you choose to mount them. I think this is a good spot on the front. On the rear, I mean, you actually have a couple different options. You can mount it here. I noticed you can put it here, or you can actually put it right there, which will work out fine too. But I'm gonna go with the original mounting area. So I'm just gonna get a couple dabs here. I'm just gonna kind of stick it down like so. You don't want to put a lot because you don't want it to be messy. I'm gonna use my Q-tip, kind of clean it up a little bit because I put a little bit more than I wanted to put in that area. I'm using 4. I guess you could use 6 if you want it, but I'm using 4. So they should be perfectly fine. I'm just gonna get this top back on, and I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. Now that I have everything in place like I want it, I'm gonna let this cure overnight. Should give it 24 hours. I'm gonna let it cure, and then I'm gonna come back tomorrow and I will attach the other 4 magnets inside of them. Alright guys, this is the next morning and I didn't wait 24 hours. Want to go ahead and get this taken care of because I got an ESC coming in and I want to go ahead and get it put on today. I got one of them coming in. I think the other 2 may be Monday, hopefully tomorrow. But they're on there. They're pretty secure. So what I did, I went ahead and pulled the pins on here. And we're gonna go ahead and take the mounts out. Now what I'm doing will work on any RC vehicle for the most part. Some vehicles might require a larger magnet, but what I'm doing is you use the same concept. So what you're gonna do is just find a good mounting spot, and you're gonna mount the magnets, and you'll find a good spot in the body to mount the magnets. So these actually go inside of that area right there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure the polarity is right. Let it magnetize. But my goal is to get a dab of the shoe goo on here. I'll show you guys. So we're gonna get a dab on here. This is gonna give me the perfect mounting location. I didn't mean to get that much, but we're gonna get a dab on here, and we're gonna put this inside of the area that we want it. That way it'll leave a mark, and that way I'll know exactly where to put that glue when I put my dab in there. So put it in like so. I'm just gonna take it back out. So I got my perfect circles there, and I'm gonna put a little dab in that area. And I'm just gonna stick it down. Make sure you got the polarity right. Same way on this side. And we're just gonna stick it down like so. And I'm just gonna do that same process up front. But like I say, guys, you'll use this same process on pretty much any RC vehicle. Same thing. It's just a matter of finding the spot to mount the magnets and lining everything up. You could put more magnets if you wanted to. I started to put 3 on here, but I think the 2 on each side will be fine. I think we're just gonna go from there. And I'll show you the finished product after this glue has cured. Alright guys, it is about 6-7 hours later. Got all my magnets mounted. And I did say 24 hours would be good, but I'm gonna go ahead and test this thing out, guys. Let's see what we have. This is my first time. There we go. Works like a charm. And that's how you would attach magnets. Not the only way, but that's one of the ways you would attach the magnets to the RC 4-wheel drive trail finder 2, the 124. Just this simple, guys. Got a bunch of more upcoming stuff coming for this guy, so y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave us a comment below. Till next time, guys, this is GNC RC.